Hi everyone, and welcome to CIS 101 for the fall 2016 semester. This is a computer literacy or computer applications course, which really means that the software that you use, the PowerPoint or the software that we're using and learning to use more proficiently, the PowerPoint, the Excel, and the Access, are all going to be applied to one particular case study this semester, and that's going to be ActiveBand. You'll learn more about ActiveBand assignments when you review the introductory material on the left side of your Blackboard where the menu buttons are. So please make sure that you review all of this material. I am Professor Sandy, and I will be your guide and coach for the semester. I really enjoy teaching this class. I enjoy teaching at SPS. I am a full-time, as you notice in the contact information, I am a full-time faculty member at Hostos Community College up in the Bronx. So that simply means that all my contact information that you need to get a hold of me is going to be at Hostos Community College. So you'll notice in the contact information, aside from a biography of who I, or autobiography of who I am, you'll also see my Skype address. You'll also see my cell phone and my email address. So you have access to me at all particular times, anytime that you wish. However, I'm not going to respond if you're contacting me at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. A little difficult, but somebody will be able to answer your questions, and that's why I posted a Q&A discussion board forum so that you could post any questions up there. Many times one person might have one question and several others have the same question. In addition, as I stated, if you're working at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm not available, but somebody in the class may be up at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and that person might be able to have the answer for you. And again, by the time I get to see the discussion board, and if the person has given information that is not exactly correct or not entirely correct, I will definitely step in. But in the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, make yourself aware of the Blackboard site. Many of you this is not your first course in an online environment or even using Blackboard. But at any rate, make sure that you make yourself available of all of the information. We are using My IT Lab. This is the second semester that the CIS program is using the My IT Lab. And it worked well last semester, so it should work just as well this semester. My only request that before you call help desk, please make sure that you get in touch with me, because sometimes it may be a question of my not giving you the access at the time that you should have. So that might be a mistake on my part. But at any rate, if it's something more technical and you know it's technical, then by all means contact the help desk. All right, I look forward to working with each of you, and I look forward to meeting you either through the discussion board, which all of you are going to introduce yourselves, and I'm going to ask that you create an avatar so that each time you submit an assignment through Blackboard, you'll see I'll see the avatar. So since this is an online class, which means we don't see each other, the only way we get to know who we are is by our avatars or by the or the discussion board. I know some of you may feel hesitant about using an avatar or even posting your picture on the discussion board. So use something that really reflects who you are. If it's not you, there may be a flower, the map or flag of your country, or anything that distinguishes you, so that I could get to know whenever I see the name, this is who this person is associated with. All right? Questions, ladies and gentlemen? It's easiest to text me, and please make sure that when you do text me, that you are going to give me your name. You don't have to tell me the class. I would know the class, but I just need to know your name, since my cell phone doesn't have all of that information on the screen of the cell phone. All right, so I look forward to working with each of you. Have a good semester at SPS. Here I'm talking about Hostos at SPS, not only in my class but also in all of your other classes. Thank you. Take care.